So we are going to create the most basic customer support chatbot with knowledge base. So when you go to voice flow, you log in, you go to canvas, blah blah blah. It's gonna be quick. So we're gonna go to put message right here, block number one. We're gonna do our welcome message. Maybe hello, welcome to Gym Bro. Let's say we're doing it for a fitness coach, online trainer. Um, Hello, welcome to Gym Bro. My name is James. I'm here to help you achieve your fitness goals. Now we're gonna ask you're gonna we're gonna grab another message. We're gonna put it on the bottom. Then we're gonna ask the question, the typical question. How can I help you today? How can I help you today? And you can add 1, 3, 5 different variants of the questions. So that means the AI is gonna give you 3 different questions. So it doesn't do the same one every single time. So how can I help you today? We're gonna start to number 1, and then we're gonna go right here and we're gonna capture the entire user reply. So you're gonna click right here, you're gonna create a variable, and you're gonna last utterance. If you don't have it, don't create it. I already have it, so I'm not gonna create it. And then you just choose right there, description. You don't do it. You just hit create variable, and it's gonna show it like this. Save entire reply to last utterance. So now we're gonna go. Now that you have that already, we're gonna go to response AI, knowledge base, and we're gonna where it says questions, we're gonna type in answer users questions, and you're gonna put the variable last utterance. You're gonna know from path. We're right here. So it's gonna look like that. Final answers the user questions last utterance. We're gonna connect it and create a loop. Now, when you have that already done, you're gonna go back to knowledge base, and you're gonna upload your documents. You can do it for a website, or you can do it for a file, which I recommend better. Go to docs and create a doc. You can create a document like this. Business coaches, business guy helping clients achieve winners those goals. One beginning 3 days. You have introduction, program overview, customized weight loss plan. You have all that. I'm gonna have this document, the link, and you can just go to ChatGPT and tell it to switch the information to your business or whatever business for your client. So let's go back, and now when you have that already done, your documents, how many documents you want to put in, you go to settings. Either you want to change your AI model to, I think you're only gonna have 2 available, or unless you upgrade your account, you're gonna have the GPT-4 Turbo. Right now I'm using the 3.5 Turbo one. And when you go right here at the bottom, that's gonna be your prompt assistant. Basically what that means is, how do you want your chatbot to behave? How do you want your chatbot to use your knowledge base? So if you go to the bottom, you can see right here, you must never say things like based on the information provided, or similar. Never refer to the information, right? Like you know all the information yourself. But sometimes the chatbot can give the answer, and be like, based on information provided, this, and this and that. So that's doesn't look professional with the chatbot. So when you get that all fixed, you're gonna be safe and go back to knowledge base, go to canvas, and we're gonna hit start. And you're gonna click train agent, and you can see right here. Well, hello, welcome to Gym Bro. My name is James. I'm here to help you achieve your fitness goals. How can I help you today? I want to know about your weight loss plan. I want to know about your weight loss plan. It's gonna take the information on the knowledge base. It's gonna answer me back with all that. So look, our weight loss plan includes personalized workouts tailored to your fitness level, ranging from light cardio and body weight exercise for beginners to weightlifting. So you can, if you wanna keep asking stuff, what's your price? What's your price? One-on-one coaching is $150 a month. Group coaching is $100 a month for participant. Premium package $300 a month. So there you go. You have the most basic customer support chatbot out there, the easiest one. And if you want to have the templates, the documents that I have with the prompt for the how do you want your chatbot to behave, and the templates for the knowledge base. The knowledge base, I will be having the link in the description. I will be back with more. I will create more for lead generation and more stuff for how to run your AI agency.